Welcome to our channel, where we uncover the secrets of maximizing productivity and efficiency. Today's video is all about utilizing ChatGPT to strategize more productive workflows. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your work processes? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive deep into the amazing capabilities of ChatGPT and how it can revolutionize your approach to productivity. Did you know you can strategize productive workflows using ChatGPT? That's right. Whether you're a freelancer, a business owner, or simply looking to boost your personal efficiency, ChatGPT has got you covered. It's time to say goodbye to scattered thoughts and disorganized work methods. Join us as we explore the endless possibilities that ChatGPT offers to streamline your workflow. We'll provide you with practical tips, expert advice, and real-life examples of how ChatGPT offers ingenious solutions to increase your productivity. So, if you're tired of feeling overwhelmed and stressed by your workload, this video is a must-watch. Get ready to take your productivity to a whole new level with ChatGPT. The future of effective workflow management is at your fingertips. Remember to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our future videos. Let's dive right in and revolutionize the way you work with ChatGPT. Get ready to enhance your productivity and achieve your goals like never before. Let's get started. ChatGPT has become a powerful tool for improving productivity. Done right, the convergence of artificial intelligence and human ingenuity can lead to groundbreaking solutions. This remarkable AI language model has the potential to revolutionize the way you ideate and create productive workflows across various domains. Watch complete video to find out how you can use ChatGPT for better workflow ideation, recommendations, personal time management, and its practical applications in different fields. For better creative workflows and brainstorming. Creativity is the heartbeat of progress, and ChatGPT offers a symphony of possibilities for ideation and brainstorming. These include the following foundational use cases that can branch off into many benefits for those using the AI tool. Using prompts to stimulate creativity. ChatGPT's ability to generate text based on prompts can be a powerful tool for sparking creative thought and inspiring your creative projects. You can unlock fresh perspectives and innovative ideas by feeding it with open-ended queries or challenges. Leveraging diverse perspectives through conversation. Engaging in a conversational exchange with ChatGPT allows you to simulate discussions with multiple viewpoints. This process can illuminate unexplored angles and lead to richer, more well-rounded concepts while saving you the time of doing these manual tasks yourself. Exploring unconventional approaches to problem solving. Using the right prompts, you can pick ChatGPT's brains, so to speak, and produce unconventional solutions. This can push you out of your comfort zone and lead to breakthroughs that might have gone unnoticed otherwise. For user analysis and improved workflow recommendations. Creating effective workflows is a delicate art, and ChatGPT's insights can help refine the process. ChatGPT can help you better understand user needs and industry best practices. Using ChatGPT, you can analyze user requirements and goals. ChatGPT can help detail specific requirements, helping to tailor workflows that align with any specific objectives you might have. It can refine and define the workflow's scope through a series of interactive questions and answers. Drawing on a vast pool of knowledge. ChatGPT can also help recommend workflows that incorporate proven methodologies and techniques from various industries. This ensures that your workflows are not only innovative but also grounded in established principles. With a vast knowledge database to draw from, AI can integrate the existing best practices and guide your way forward. ChatGPT is also well aware of the fact that every context is unique. This helps it to adapt workflows to fit seamlessly into different environments. If you factor in specific elements such as team dynamics, company culture, and available resources, ChatGPT can provide tailored recommendations. Some examples of prompts you can use for this purpose include: design a workflow to streamline the user shopping experience for an e-commerce shoe store. Incorporate sustainable practices into an urban planning workflow. Develop a workflow to execute a remote team project with diverse skill sets. For streamlined personal time management. Efficient time management is the cornerstone of productivity. ChatGPT offers valuable insights in this regard, helping you to make the best of your time by focusing on the right things. For example, ChatGPT can create daily routines and task lists based on your goals. It can suggest optimal sequences of activities to ensure you get more done in less time while maintaining your work-life balance. You can also implement time blocking techniques with ChatGPT's guidance. To do this, you can propose a schedule to ChatGPT, and it can help allocate time slots for your specific tasks, ensuring you maintain a disciplined and focused approach to work. Then, pair these strategies with some time blocking apps to get started. If you struggle with managing distractions and maintaining focus, ChatGPT can also propose specific strategies to help you out, whether through mindfulness techniques or creating designated, focus time intervals. Depending on your specific scenario, it can offer personalized suggestions to enhance your concentration. Some examples of prompts you can use for better time-based workflows with ChatGPT are: suggest a balanced daily routine that promotes productivity and self-care. I'm a freelance writer juggling 4 clients. Can you help me devise a time-blocking strategy and some tips for getting more deep work done? Recommend techniques to minimize distractions during study sessions. Practical applications of ChatGPT in various fields. It's no surprise that ChatGPT's versatility can be extended to various fields. Here are 3 of the most popular areas where it's driving innovation and efficiency. Project management methodologies. In project management, ChatGPT can act as a digital collaborator, helping you take on complex undertakings. For example, imagine you're overseeing the construction of a high-rise building. By prompting ChatGPT with, design a project management workflow for a high-rise building construction, the AI could lay out a detailed roadmap. You can even prompt ChatGPT to suggest integrated project management software, scheduling tools, and communication platforms that help with coordination among architects, engineers, and contractors. Software development tips and workflow optimization. ChatGPT's prowess can help revolutionize how you conceive and execute your coding projects. For example, a software development team lead looking to optimize their processes could prompt ChatGPT with, optimize an agile software development workflow for my hybrid team. You can even use it to come up with ideas for virtual stand-up meetings, ensuring that each remote team member remains aligned and productive. With ChatGPT's insights, software development teams can enhance collaboration, reduce bottlenecks, and deliver high-quality products efficiently. Marketing and sales creativity and innovation. Generative AI is changing the job market, and this is one such industry seeing a paradigm shift. The AI tool is becoming an invaluable resource for devising strategic campaigns and nurturing customer relationships. Picture yourself as a marketing strategist for a startup on the cusp of launching a groundbreaking tech product. You can ask ChatGPT to create a comprehensive marketing workflow to launch a tech startup. You can also ask ChatGPT to develop recommendations for monitoring and analytics tools to measure campaign effectiveness, enabling more data-driven decision-making. By embracing ChatGPT, startups and established businesses can devise impactful marketing strategies that capture their audience's attention and drive growth. And there you have it, trailblazers. The synergy of human creativity and AI brilliance has unlocked unprecedented productivity frontiers. ChatGPT is your partner in progress, amplifying your creativity, refining your workflows, and optimizing your time management. So, let's embrace the future, harness the potential, and together, let's reshape industries and inspire a new era of innovation. Until next time, keep envisioning, keep creating, and keep revolutionizing. Stay inspired.